Python Boolean data type. Boolean values. In Python, the true and false represent the Boolean values. In programming code, sometimes it is necessary to determine whether an expression is true or false. When you execute an expression with a specific condition, Python returns a Boolean value. It either be true or false. For example, here we check 2 is greater than of 3 and also print into the print statement. Here we will get an output as a false because 2 is not greater than of 3. Now we check 2 is equal to 3. Here we also get a false value because 2 is not equal to 3. Now we check the 2 is less than of 3. After run this program, here we got an true because 2 is less than of 3. Python check condition with if statement. With an if statement, blocks are executed based on return Boolean value, true or false. For example, here we take two variables as a number A and number B, and we assign numeric value 2 to the number A and 3 to the number B. Now we check the number A is greater than of number B with if statement block. Here we check if number A is greater than of number B. If the number A is greater than of number B, then print statement here 2 is greater than 3. Otherwise, print 2 is less than of 3. After run this program, here we got 2 is less than of 3. Because here if condition got false Boolean value. That's why it prints the else block statement. Evaluate values and variables. The Boolean constructor function allows you to evaluate any value and it returns either true or false Boolean value. For example, here we pass a string text to the Boolean constructor function and also print into the console. After run this program, here we got a true Boolean value. Similarly for numeric value, when we pass any number to the Boolean constructor function other than of 0, then it returns true. If we pass 0 to the Boolean constructor function, then it returns a false Boolean value. Similarly, if we pass Boolean value to the constructor function, then it returns the similar value. Here we pass false Boolean value and also pass true Boolean value. After run this program, here you can see false Boolean value for the false Boolean constructor function and true for the true Boolean constructor function. Python none type. Python uses the none to represent absence of a value or null value. The none is often used to indicate that a variable or expression has no meaningful value. None used in variable assignment. We can assign the value none to a variable to indicate that it has no initial value. For example, here we declare a variable x and assign none value to the variable x. None used in function returns. A function that do not have a specific return value, then it returns a none by default. For example, here we take one function and function name is my function. and we also pass a pass keyword. Now we call this my function and print into the console. After run this program, here you can see the return value of my function is none. Comparing to none, we can use the is operator to check if a variable or expression is equal to none. Here we check this x variable is none or not by using if condition. Here we add if condition and add statement x is none. If none, then print x is none. After run this program, here you can see x is none is printed in the console. None is commonly used in Python when we need to represent a missing value or undefined value. So it's an important concept for handling default or uninitialized variables, as well as indicating the absence of result or a condition. In this video, we have covered the Boolean and none data type. If you have any question, then comment below. In the next video, we will cover the string data type in Python. Till then, happy coding!